Good evening guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So Nifty in 5 minutes chart we have opened very good gap up and gap up has sustained. It opened nearly our resistance level and the resistance was broken and whole day it was consolidated, and in the second half we have seen a very good sell off. But still Nifty closed with 33 points positive, whereas Bank Nifty also opened gap up and there was good sell off we have seen in first 10 minutes. Then it was consolidated. It was traded in our range only. It has not broken the support nor the resistance and close with 69 points positive. So let's begin the open interest analysis and we'll see what the big player have planned for this month end expiry. We'll follow by FII. In options input they were holding 2.90 lakhs of put buying. Now they have unwinded 1000 contracts, still holding 2.88 lakhs of put buying. And in call they were holding 2.68 lakhs of call buying contract. They have unwinded 6000 contract, still holding 2.75 lakhs of call buying contract. They have hedged their positions call versus put in options. Future index 50% long, 50% short. They have increased their longs, reduced the short by 2%. Stock future percentage 54% long, 46% short, and we have seen they have purchased for 182 crores in the cash market. So see, FI have hedged their positions in F&O and going long in cash market. Client are the retailers input. They were holding 1.85 lakhs of put writing contract. Today they have unwinded 2000 contracts, still holding 1.83 lakhs of put writing contract. And in call they were holding 88,000 of call writing contract. Today they have added 98,000 contracts, so they have 1.86 lakhs of call writing. So here also they have hedged call versus put writing in options. Future index 50% long, 50% short, neutral positions. Stock future percentage 84% long, 16% short, and they sold for 228 crores in the cash market. So see, client also have no directional view. Promoters in options input they were holding 2 lakhs of put writing contract. Today they have added only 689 contracts in put writing, so they have 2.03 lakhs of put writing. And in call they were holding 1.80 lakhs of call writing. They have unwinded 91,000 contract, so they have now 88,000 of call writing. Slight positive in options. Future index 46% long, 54% short. It means they have reduced the long, increased the short by 2%. Stock future percentage 58% long, 42% short, and they purchased for 183 crores in the cash market. Promoter also has their positions but on a positive side only. DI have purchased for 397 crores in the cash market. So the cash flow was 535 crores positive value. Put call ratio Nifty for this week is at 1.1. Bank Nifty is at 0.93. It is still neutral. For month end, this month end belongs to June expiry. Nifty is at 1.67 and Bank Nifty is at 1.33. Super bullish for the month end. Now let's check the change in OI Nifty. What happened today? So people have unwinded good number of call writing at 18,200. Also put writing unwinding we have seen at 18,200. Huge put addition. I mean put writing addition at 18,300, 18,350, 18,400. People carry forwarding 18,400 short straddle. It means a major resistance is at 18,400 and good support will be at 18,300. For Bank Nifty, people, we have seen a good call writing addition, call writing unwinding at 43,800 and 43,900, and huge put addition, I mean put writing addition at 44,000. So see, make up break levels are 44,000 only. If it is broken, we can see a good rally too. Further change in OI. Now let's check the price action. In 5 minutes they have opened good gap down, but that gap has filled now. They're trading with slight negative but 22 points only, whereas Dow also opened gap down, but that gap has filled. They're trading with flat 2 points positive. SGX trading negative by 32 points, and we have seen today India is stable at 12.6, very much comfortable. Nifty in 1 day time frame, see, as per the price action we have seen a red candle closing, and people have booked their profit from the very good resistance levels only, and it has formed a shooting star kind of a candle. It means there could be a more fall when this candle is formed, so be cautious. As per the price action there could be a good fall. Bank Nifty in 1 day time frame, see it has formed a doji candle, and as we discussed earlier also, it has to trade in this range only. The range should be 43,500 to 44,000, and we have seen a same consolidation for couple of days. So now it has formed doji. It can break this 44,000 and move higher, or it has to still trade in this range only as per the price action. Mark the algo points. Nifty first support comes around 18,308. First resistance comes around 18,404. Bank Nifty first support comes around 44,082. First resistance comes around 43,839. So see, as per the open interest analysis, the data is neutral. We don't have any directional view of long or short. It is just neutral. So the data showing it has to trade in small range only. So we can get a good scalping trade in intraday only. Buy on dip and sell on rise. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.